Oi amores, meu nome é Fernanda de Freitas do canal Top em Orlando. Eu estou aqui no Animal Kingdom. Vamos para a vinheta. É isso mesmo, hoje o passeio vai ser no Animal Kingdom. Vocês vão assistir uma sequência de vídeos, eu não sei quantos ainda. Tô gravando e vamos ver o quanto que vai dar. Se você ainda não é inscrito no canal, por favor, ative o sininho para receber notificações, dê um like para ajudar meu canal a crescer, compartilhe com seus amigos e me siga no meu Instagram, fernanda.top1. Então vamos pro parque, vamos pro vídeo e já vamos... enfim, eu acho que já vai entrar pra cá mesmo, ó. E ó, o óculos, ó, que é do Vida de Inseto. E já vamos entrar lá.
Host of our show, everyone's favorite ant, Flick.
Fireflies, up here. Over here. Whales, a little more. A little less.
Perfect.
Oh, and hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us. So, that's why we gave you the special bug eyes. Now, go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, now you're all honorary bugs, so, on with the show. Okay, thanks, little fella. You're done now. Huh? Like that. Yeah, thank you. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Chili, I really hate when you do that. I hate.
Oh, I'm sorry, Flick.
Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This part's one of my favorites.
Paul! Come on, keep them coming! Chili's on a roll!
Hey! What are you guys trying to pull?
Watch it! You're messing up my head! Hold still!
Back off! In case you hadn't noticed, all right.
You miss! Here, no one makes a fool of Chili, man! Come back here and die like a bug!
Alright, well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome now, he's up, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. We have other shows to do.
I am a mean defensive machine. I am the Terminator. Oh no. I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No, intruders must be terminated. No exceptions.
Woo!
Oh shoot, I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Is everybody alright up there? I hope that none of you are allergic to acid. Oh my. Best to move along. Alright, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Parke's ready, Flick.
Alright. Oh, just a second. Let him in, Claire.
Hey! Stop you, man!
No way! You'll never catch me!
She's gonna blow!
Whoa! Who's gonna blow? Oh boy.
flick. What are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made an honorary bug.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine. What? Still alive? This means war! On your stickers and attack! I'm going in for the sting! You're over your target, Black Widow Spider! Jump! Back off, spiders! They're mine. Bug bombs, zappers, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
What do we do now? Bring up the next act. He refuses to come out of his cocoon.
What was this doing, huh?
Cue the finale!
Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we made your world one honey of a flame.
We're pollinators! We're pollinators!
If you like vegetables,
Especially with flowers.
it makes too much buds for a marvelous flower.
If it weren't for the fact that we like to taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder highways. Shoulder highways. And if all bugs were like the face of the planet, there'd soon be no humans around here to manage. The best thing about us, you can't live without us. Still it's hot to be
It's a piece of cake.
Hold thee!
No, you don't. Let's leave.
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey little fella! Where should you be?
Here?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely. At this time, gather up your personal belongings and take your small grubs by their grubby little